Hey guys, it's me, Kisshu97 and...
Oh, be quiet. So, you're going to...
Yeah, she won't. Okay. Okay, you guys have to guess. We're going to play 10 different sounds.
maybe more depending.
Yeah, depending how bored we are. And you have to post comments saying which ones they are.
But it's going to be on both of our YouTube accounts. So, you only get one guess per video on our YouTube account. Like,
well, that ain't no fair. You
can comment on hers, or you can comment on mine. But you can't comment twice on one of them.
Okay, you're going awkward.
No.
Shut up.
Okay. Sound number 1 is this.
Here it is again. Okay. Here is sound number 2. Now, you don't have to say the specific song name, but where is it coming from? Crap! Okay. Sound number 3. It's not loud enough. Okay, that was kind of crappy.
Are you able to hear them? Comment and tell us that.
We won't count it. Number 3. Come on. Okay.
That's number 4, right?
I think.
Yeah, that's number 4. This is number 5.
Number 6. Number 7. Coming up in a second. Oh, no, so stupid.
Yeah, if you guess that song, it's from only that little part. I'll play it again.
Maybe, yeah. Number 8. I think. I don't know. 7 or 8, whatever it is.
One of them. Whatever.
Just put down the times instead of the numbers, because, like, yeah, we're lost with numbers. Oh, I got an idea. It just plugged in. Sound number, whatever this one is.
How are we supposed to remember what the sounds were?
Oh, God. Oh, well. Next sound.
This is really weird.
Shut up. So we can tell.
Right, yeah. What's this?
I got it.
Oh, God.
What'd you like? It's all the best. I'm reading my promises.
Okay, I think that's enough sounds. We're not asking for specific things.
But if you just get around...
Just guess the object for the song. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's stuff.
Yeah.
And,
Vampire.
No, don't quick stop.
I wasn't going to.
I want to talk.
Don't forget to subscribe us.
No, don't.
We're recording another one. Are you
You
still
guys done? Did they help you?
Oh, world domination.
Vegetarian loves burger. Yeah, get that.
Nice. You just said that on YouTube.
So,
We gotta tell her that on Monday that we posted it on YouTube.
I won't tell her that because she'll be like, oh, I'm going to kill you.
We're like,
She bit me once. It was scary. She's violent. And she threw french fries at me. And I also have a Facebook, but it's Messy Jessie01. Similar with my MySpace, but I don't want to add you on my MySpace.
Why is that?
Because Mom yells at me when I have strange stuff on my MySpace.
No, Facebook is gonna mess up.
Well, on Facebook I can play games like Farmville.
Farmville.
Oh, you should look up Farmville too. Farmville and look up it on YouTube.
Farmville, and I think it's the first video. It's just really weird.
And it goes Farmville.
Every dog had a Farmville.
Tired of playing certain games and play Farmville. That's my favorite video. Oh, what if he comments and yells at us for doing that? Oh well, that's his fault. Too bad. Oh, Allie Bunny is nice too. And
don't subscribe, Allie Bunny 06. She's a freaking thief.
I don't think deleted her thing. You told me you did. Who were those people that said butt munches?
Hyper and D9.
They're funny. I haven't added them yet though.
Yeah, you should.
You're all butt munches.
Butt munches.
Eat the freaking apple juice.
Drink it.
Oh, you
Dun.
could eat apple juice if you put it in slushy form.
That's true. Yeah.
That's true. Has anybody ever gone to Burger King and ate a cupcake shake out of a BK, what is it called? A BK pipe? They are blue.
Blue.
You should tell me if you did, because I would enjoy it.
You know what used to scare me when I was like really little?
What?
The Coolaid commercial with the big old talking bullet punch. You just come crashing through your freaking window like boom.
Oh yeah! It would have other stuff and
when all the little kids got excited, they'd be like, yay, and then he'd give a punch after the brief on his big open fat hand.
and then it would drink him.
And then I did not prefer juice wearing tights. Tights.
That's disgusting. I mean, she's supposed to be fat, round, and bubbly.
Not
But it's
tights.
supposed to be tight.
Yeah.
I mean, I would understand if we were flippers.
Not
But not tight.
candy bars.
I love candy bars.
I think we can play when my mom gets home.
Oh,
Hershey bars. Peanut butter pie.
you should leave us pictures of candy.
I can't. It's YouTube.
We can put them on video.
Oh, true. Yeah, true.
Because, or they can put the URL on the comment.
True.
Because I am going to make a video of candy.
What?
A bunch of candy.
Okay, SkittleMaster's gonna take over for a little bit. I gotta let my dog in.
Yay!
Don't touch my picture. I will touch your picture. I rub it down.
No, that's really weird. Who can talk to myself?
It's peanut butter game time.
Peanut butter, yeah.
Kiss over.
I almost turned your foot. It's just over down the wet spot.
What? This spot's wet too.
Can you pee yourself?
I do not.
You liar!
You're a liar.
You're a liar.
You're a liar.
You're a liar.
Liar, liar, people's on fire. You squished the crackers. I know. Crackers.
Okay. Now you have to eat them.
Wait, what happened to the contest? I thought we were going to end it on
Oh.
Don't forget about the contest, though. Yeah, comment right after the contest is done. Don't forget all about it. You know, because you'll be like, oh my gosh, it's so funny. Probably not, because it's going to be really Don't forget to subscribe or add a... What is subscribe? Because, like, yeah, whatever. Resolution is down over 100 subscribers. Oh, no, that's going to happen. Yeah, I already got like 50. I already got like 50, so it's possible. Gotten 10 in the past last month.
What's that really good?
Elaborate. Oh, that's weird. That's not what I was on the It was paper. Peanut butter pie. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
You You know, it's a really good show. My Life is Liz. That's funny.
I've never heard of it.
I love that show.
I've never heard of it.
They get coffee his hand and then high five themselves. It's amazing. But I secretly love Liz. And Liz, she likes that one dude. I don't remember his name. Oh, his name is, starts with a B.
What?
Bryson, I think. Yeah, I think.
You can comment about random crap on this video. We don't really
Like grapes. I like grapes. And you're wrong.